Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, that thumbs up is important on the YouTube platform. So if you can press that for me, if you're enjoying my content, I do appreciate it, because YouTube does look at that. And when you press it, it will turn blue and the number will increase. All right. Okay, here we go. Today we got in the mail from Sephora the Hello Bag. I really wasn't sure if they were going to continue this, because for a couple of months it was showing up month after month, and I saw the last time it said the actual month on the UPC code that was on the back of the bag, and this time it's not saying that. So I'm not sure if this is going to be every month or what, but when I see this, it is $10 and we can still use that free ship code, so we're able to get it to us for the $10. So I love getting these. I think they're a lot of fun. I do miss those play boxes. So this to me is helping me, get away from missing the play box, because we're able to kind of fill it up with this one here. So the difference between this one and the play box is it's not a subscription. It shows up on Sephora under the Sephora favorites, and then you get to see what the products are, if it's something you want to buy or not. So there's no surprises. All right. I do print out a lot of information on this, because there's no information that comes in the bag, but what does come in the bag is a 15% off coupon that is for the full size of the same item that is the sample that's in the bag. And these have all these separate little coupon codes that are on that there. Okay, so this is, they marked a $32 value for the $10. They're saying it's in a limited edition, and they're saying it because it's exclusive to a Sephora. So the key for this is that free ship code enables you to get just something for $10. Otherwise, on Sephora's site, it is, I think, $50 for free shipping. All right. So the first item that was in here was what really intrigued me initially, and it is one that I haven't tried, and I have it on my wants list, and it is the sample size version of the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and this is one that I wanted to try. And what is written here, they're saying the mini travel size of this is $13. So this on its own would be, I guess, the price of the whole bag. So the full size of the Monsieur Big from Lancome is $25. And what it says is, it is a volumizing mascara for your most dramatic lashes. Get a false lash effect with up to 12 times more volume and up to 24 hours of wear. It says you can say goodbye to fake lashes extensions and say hello to longer lashes. They're saying it's a volumizing, lengthening mascara. It's smudge proof and does not flake. The brush and wavy fiber bristles deliver high intensity, while the ultra black pigments evenly coat each lash for clump-free volume. So really excited that that was in the bag, and I'm really, really excited to have the opportunity to try that. The next is an item from a brand that I absolutely love, and it's called Makeup Forever. It came in this full retail box, and this is the component that's inside here. And this one is saying the full size of this is a $36 value. It is their standard translucent powder. You can get a mini. This is probably not the mini. This is probably minute. But the mini size one that is for 14 ounces is a $20 value. And they're saying it will give you a standardized matte finish. It's an award-winning finishing powder that's ultra blurring and light diffusing to create unfiltered perfection to all skin tones in every light. They're saying if you use this as your last step in your makeup routine, a finishing powder will blur the look of your skin's imperfections. It will revamp and now more translucent, weightless, and blurrier than ever before. This is the ultimate finishing powder. It is a silica and silicone-based formula that delivers a natural matte, light diffusing effect while minimizing the appearance of your pores, your fine lines. It's formulated to look invisible under Ultra HD 4K technology. And this loose powder is perfect for every skin tone with a non-drying formula that creates a visible, flawless finish in any light. And a little goes a long way with this finishing powder. You just apply a small amount to a fluffy brush, tap off the excess amount, and apply after you're setting your makeup for any additional blurring. They're saying what else you might need to know is deeply connected to the evolving needs of professional makeup artists and consumers alike. Makeup Forever developed the Ultra HD to meet the demands of the next generation of digital devices that display images with stunning clarity, unbelievable detail, and heightened color. Featuring a wide range of foundations and concealer shades for diverse skin tones, this Ultra HD will offer everything you need to prep, cover, and finish for a flawless but natural looking complexion. So really excited. That might be a new formulation of it, but I've enjoyed their powders in the past, and I do enjoy the Makeup Forever brand. The next item was one that I got introduced to in a Trend Mood box. It's from this brand called Ren. It's a clean skin product. They're saying the full size of this is $42, and the full size would be a 6.8 ounce, and this one is a 1.7. They're saying it is good for all skin types, normal, oily, combo, dry, and sensitive. They're saying it is a moisturizing body serum that contains AHAs that work with the skin to naturally exfoliate, leaving your skin radiant with natural glow. It's a solution for dullness or uneven texture and even uneven skin tone. They're saying this has 10% AHA exfoliating body serum, will deliver a full body exfoliation without scrubbing. This lightweight body moisturizer has a lotion-like texture that boosts the skin's natural exfoliation process while deeply hydrating. The results you will see are softer, smoother skin with an even more even tone. Now you can glow from head to toe. The body serum is rich in lactic acid, which are able to draw water molecules within the skin to the surface. So it's saying hello to hydration. This is a game-changing body moisturizer. Also contains probiotics, which boost the skin's defense barrier, instantly hydrating and smoothing for a stronger, healthier skin in only one application. They're saying what else you should need to know about Ren is they never test on animals. They use responsible sourced board of recycling their packaging. Ren also uses natural inks and natural fragrances. It does not use skin unfriendly ingredients. All their products are free from synthetics, fragrances, pore blocking, sulfates, silicones, animal ingredients, parabens. In addition, Ren products do not contain potential irritants, including, and they give a whole list of other synthetic sunscreens and so on and so forth. And that's about it. So they're saying it is a clean product on Sephora's website. The next item that we got is from this brand called Caudalie, or Caudalie. Caudalie, that's what I'm going to say. And I apologize if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. It says it is a Vinopure Pore Refining Gel Cleanser. They're saying the full size of this is $28. There's 1 fluid ounce in this, and the full size is 5 ounces. They're saying it is a pore purifying cleanser powered by 100% natural salicylic acid to minimize the look of pores, blemishes, and oil. It's good for combination and oily. If your skin concerns are your pores, acne, and blemishes and oiliness, this is a gel formula that you should enjoy. This is a natural salicylic acid which will help unclog and tighten the appearance of your pores. It has an organic essential oil complex and grapeseed that is an antioxidant and it will reduce the look of blemishes, and grape water, which will soothe, visibly reduce any redness. The ingredient callouts in here is that it is vegan and gluten-free. It says it's an oil-free gel to foam cleanser. It visibly tightens pores without minimizing excess sebum, blackheads, and imperfections. The non-drawing formula features antioxidant grapeseed and antibacterial essential oil complexes for redness reducing, and then plus organic rose water to promote healthy glow. And then it says your purchase will help the planet. And they also donate 1% of their sales to plant trees. They're saying it is based on a self-assessment of 30 participants in 28 days that found their skin was purified, unclogged, and they found their skin to be less shiny. And it is also a clean product at Sephora. The next item that we got is one that I also enjoy, and I love having it in a smaller, so this will be easier once we get to travel again. This is from the brand called OUAI, and it is a hair oil. The full size is 1.5 ounces, that's $28, and the mini size is $14, that is 0.45 ounces, and this is 0.33 fluid ounces. So this is a lightweight multitasking oil that fights frizz, prevents heat, UV damage, and delivers a high gloss, super smooth finishing for all hair types. If your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily. It's for fine, medium, and thick hair. It delivers sleek, frizz-free hair. It is color safe, and it will protect your hair. It is a lightweight oil, and it is free of sulfates, parabens. This product is also cruelty-free. This hair oil is packed with African oils, and it'll keep your color from fading, protect your hair from heat damage. It also addresses split ends and has a fragrance with notes of violet, gardenia, ylang-ylang, and white musk. It smells delish. The fragrance is a Rue Saint Honoré, a French-inspired fragrance with seductive notes of violet, and we said gardenia, ylang-ylang, white musk for sophisticated female floral fragrance. And then the final thing that was in here, which is what I really enjoyed getting in the play boxes, is these little sample sizes of these really expensive perfumes. And this one is from Versace, and this is in bright crystal, and it is such a, it's a fresh yet sophisticated scent. It is just beautiful. So this is one of those sample sizes that the notes and everything are in here, and it's one of those spray bottles, which I do enjoy. And this one, they have that the 3 ounce of this is a $95 bottle. You could also get a 1 ounce for $60. You can get a 1.7 ounce at Sephora for $78, or they have a value size, which is a 6.7 ounce for $140. And then, of course, they have a travel spray, which is what I usually get, which is $30. And they're saying the fragrance family of this is florals, but the scent type, it says it's a classic floral. And the key notes are yuzu, lemon, peony, and musk. And it's saying it's inspired by Donatella Versace's favorite floral fragrance. It is bright crystal, is a fresh, sensuous blend of refreshing, chilled yuzu and pomegranate mingled with soothing blossoms of peony, magnolia, and lotus flower, and warm notes of musk and amber. And I find whenever there's musk and amber, it somehow it hits me in a way that I end up enjoying the perfume, and I don't smell anything floral. It truly is solely a sophisticated scent. You can just, it's sophisticated. It's very black tie to me. It's something that I would definitely enjoy having. So like I said, all of this is $10. You use that code FREESHIP, gets you the item there. Then if you enjoy the product, you will have the 15% off coupons for the full size available to you here. And that's everything that we got in the Sephora Hello bag. And it simply comes in a box like this to your door, and then inside everything was packaged perfectly, and it was inside this bag. So I think this is a win. I enjoy these type of samples for $10. I think it is a win. I was a little disappointed when I didn't see it for last month, and then I was happy that at least we got it in the month of September. So it is still available when I started this video, but you never know, just check the website. But remember to use that code FREESHIP. So if this is the only thing that you want, you'll be able to get it to your door for the $10 plus tax in your state. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. And as always, what's really important during this time is that we all continue to stay safe, to be able to stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.